Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making a pork chop dinner in a Ninja Foodi with Smart Lid. Alright, I'm starting out here. I have some nice center cut pork chops. These were on sale at the grocery store, buy one get one free. So I got 2 packs for like $7 and change. I'm going to start by seasoning with a little bit of my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper and garlic. If you don't have this, a little salt and pepper works just fine. Now you can also do this recipe in a regular pressure cooker or an Instant Pot. You don't have to have a Ninja Foodi. And I'm going to go ahead and season the other side. Alright, now that I have my chops all seasoned on both sides, I have my Ninja Foodi set on saute high and it's hot. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in there. And we're going to get these chops and we're going to brown them up nice and golden brown on both sides. We're not cooking them just yet, we're just getting them nice and browned up. So I'm going to do 3 at a shot. Alright, now that my pork chops are all nice and brown, I'm going to pull them out and set them aside for just now. And I turned off the power to the Foodi for just right now because it's hot enough. Now I have a small onion I diced up. I'm going to get that in there and I'm going to allow that to saute just for a minute in that remaining olive oil. Alright, now that I allowed my onions to saute for a minute and the pressure cooker cooled down, I'm going to get those pork chops back in there. And guys, these are some thick, beautiful chops. And I'm just laying them right on top of those onions. Grab my plate here. This juice I'm going to dump right in there because that juice is added flavor. It's going to help make a delicious gravy. Alright, now that I have my chops down in here, that last little bit of juice, I took them potatoes and I made a foil pouch with a little salt in there. They're going to go down in there. And I have a pack of frozen corn. I put salt and pepper and some butter on it. We're making a pouch out of that. And you just want to close it up tight so that your stuff don't spill out when you go to take it out. It comes out. Leave the top open a little bit. Get that down in there. I'm going to close my lid down. Make sure we're set on seal. But I'm going to take my selector knob and slide it over to pressure cook. Now it's set on high. It's set at 10 minutes. That's why I want it. What this is going to do, it's going to come up to pressure. It's going to pressure cook for 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes we'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, my 10 minutes are up. I did that quick release of pressure. I have a large bowl here with a stick of butter. I melted in the microwave. I'm going to transfer my corn over here into a bowl. I'm just going to leave it in the foil. Now my potatoes I'm going to have to take out the foil because we're going to mash them. But I have this bowl over here like with the butter. And you want to be careful because this is hot. And I'm just going to transfer them right in that bowl of butter. You can see how nice and golden brown my chops are in that beef broth. I'm going to get them out, set them aside on a plate, tin them in foil, and we're going to go ahead and make a gravy. Alright, I add a little bit of water to my stock because there wasn't much there, and it's rich. It can handle the extra water being added to it. Now I turn this back on saute high, and I have a cornstarch slurry here. I'm going to dump that in, give that a stir, and I'm going to allow this to come up to a gentle boil and thicken up that gravy. Now my potatoes over here, I'm going to go ahead and mash them. I'm going to do that off camera because everybody knows how to mash potatoes. I'll get my gravy made, get my potatoes mashed. We'll go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. So I'm going to start out with the mashed potatoes and gravy. And my potatoes are extra buttery. Well seasoned, that gravy's really delicious. Try some of my corn. Corn's tender, sweet, really delicious. Let's try some of this pork chop. I can tell already that's tender. Tender, moist, really delicious. Guys, that was really easy. One pot supper. You've seen it all put together in the same pot. Pork chop dinner in the Ninja Foodi with Smart Lid. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.